Hi there and welcome to Vox Singing Academy's singing tip of the week. My chair is really squeaky today. Episode 25, quarter of a century. Okay, my name is Peter Vox. I'm the director and principal teacher of Vox Singing Academy, and I have been since 1993. Let's get stuck into this next episode's tip. This next episode's tip is not always, but try to sing songs that you enjoy, okay? Singing should be done for the enjoyment factor. That's the number one point. Always do it because you want to enjoy what you're doing. Now, the last episode is very important, and even the episode before that as well too, but particularly last episode, 24, sing in a vocal register where you sound and feel the best, because that's going to bring you a lot of joy, so you don't have to stress about it. But please watch that video. It's a very important video if you just jumped onto this one straight away and found us this time here. But ultimately, always sing songs that you really enjoy, because singing should be about the enjoyment factor, okay? Now, I know that if you're a professional performer, sometimes you can't always do songs that you enjoy, because you may be in a top 40 cover band and you got to play songs that the crowd wants, or at a wedding, or even like these guys that have got major label recording contracts and are performing all the time. You know, maybe there's a hit song that they're just completely sick of, that they've just done a million times. Like I'm sure Mick Jagger from the Rolling Stones has done Satisfaction a million times. He's probably sick of it. So sometimes there are times that you have to do songs that you don't particularly like, but try to make them fun. So put your own little spin on it. Maybe change the song up a little bit, change the key of it, sing it higher or lower. Do some different trills, runs, inflections in the song. Keep it fresh if you've been doing it for a long time. So change things up and have fun with it. So that's a really important thing. You don't just have to do the song standard all the time. You can always change things up and do your version of the song, so that you're enjoying what you're doing if you're repeating songs and performing for a long time. But more so going reverse engineering this for beginners. With beginners, you always want to do songs that you enjoy so that you enjoy your singing. But make sure that it's within your skill capabilities. Again, one of the earlier episodes, I think it might be episode number 2, I think. Episode number 2 of this is an episode on how to find out your vocal range and always to sing songs within your skill abilities. So check out that video as well too in the playlist. Now, we always want to enjoy singing. I've pretty much gone over everything that I need to go over in this episode. It's a pretty simple one here. Hope you've got something out of it. If you have, give it a like, thumbs up, click, share, and subscribe. If I've missed something, because it's such a short episode, put it in the comments below. Be polite. We're building up a great community here. Thank you everyone that's supported us over this time. Again, if we can help you or someone that you know with their singing, we'd be absolutely honored. We have numerous studios all the way through Melbourne and Australasia. We have male and female teachers, and if you'd like to join the ever-expanding franchise community that we are growing here throughout Australasia, check out the links below for more info. Thank you so much for watching. Until the next episode, peace and much love, and always remember that I love you all.